you had the benchmark indices again clock another high. It's just about getting used to it now, isn't it, Srishti? We also had the mid cap index, which is the Nifty mid cap, hit a record high. L&T Finance and JSW leading the gains over there. L&T Finance change in leadership coming through. You had the Nifty small cap index advancing for the 5th straight session as well. But amongst other specific news, we had the SGX Nifty, which is now Gift Nifty. That is the big news of the day. And we had the NSE MD and CEO giving a trading extension with possible trading extension is a work in progress, is what we've gotten to know. But outside of that, we had the Nifty PSU Bank Index up over 3.5% odd. We had the energy index advanced for a 4th straight session as well. So we saw a good set overall, in the overall context of the market, Srishti.
Well, yes, absolutely. And Harsh, the July series has been really good for the Indian markets. We did see the Gift Nifty trading as well as the benchmark indices hitting their all-time high levels. But we need to mark the auto sales data as well, because it is the start of the month and all these companies reported their numbers, where this time around it was a mixed bag when it comes to the passenger vehicle as well as the two-wheeler segment. And what we are witnessing is that the rural play were not that supportive, and Maruti and Hero MotoCorp were the names that saw a decline on a month-on-month basis. So other than that, the CV and the tractor sales were supportive. A lot of operational updates from the banks as well, wherein the name includes Karur Vysya Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, CSB Bank, as well as from the financial space, we got the update from M&M Finance as well. And lastly, when we talk about one of the counters, that is Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders, the company was in focus as the stock was also inching up with 5% of the gain, and they have inter-contract worth 2,725 crores with the Indian Navy, and that stock was also buzzing. So a lot of stocks and sectors in focus, majorly on the positive side. We are being joined by Mandar Jamsandekar. Hi, very good afternoon, Mandar. 19,300 has been crossed decisively, and for the Bank Nifty as well, no stopping. So going ahead, what are the targets that you are looking out for?
Yeah, it is a bullish time in the markets right now, and that too happens after a consolidation. So we had been in this consolidation for the last one and a half months. Everybody was expecting that a new time high will happen today or tomorrow, that kind of thing, and finally we are at all-time highs. So I think this is going to continue, and as we've seen in the trade today, earlier it was HDFC and HDFC Bank which was leading, helping the index stay up. Then it was followed by Reliance, then we had SBI following, and finally it was ITC. So there are plenty of index heavyweights which are waiting in line to ensure that the index stays up. So therefore I think the market is going to trade bullish. For the Nifty, I have got a target of 19,600, so another 300-400 point rally. And in case of Bank Nifty, a move to 45,900 is quite possible. That may not happen this week, but at least in the next 2-3 weeks that is possible. And the trade going forward will be similar to what we have seen today. Like in the first half an hour we had an uptick in the markets, and most of the day was the index traded flat with the individual stocks showing us good kind of moves. So that kind of a move is going to be witnessed in the next 2 to 3 weeks. But overall the view remains bullish, the undercurrent remains bullish.